Hey, what's up, Holochain Holder? So, what's the new target of Holochain? Can they hit this target of rise? I hope they can hit it. And what's my prediction to the end of coming days? They're moving up or they fails down. And what's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? So, this video is very urgent for Holochain Holder. Kindly don't skip any second of this video because this is very important information, my friend. Let's get started. But I request you, please, before I get started this video, I request you to subscribe this channel. Please, if you just click the subscribe button, then I am updating you every time. Please, kindly, my brothers, please just click the subscribe button. Thank you so much, my friend. Okay, come to the point, my friend. If you check out, this is the last 7 days chart, and you can see here the change occur and minus 15.69% falls down very badly, my friend. And this time very cheap price, 0.020809 US dollar as the price of Holochain, my friend. And I hope in upcoming days, first of all, I tell you they going up in upcoming days. But first of all, we check the chart to they really they going up. First of all, we draw a chart to they going up in upcoming days or falls down. My friend, if we check out, my friend, if we check, first of all, if we draw a chart, then we do again. You can see here, my friend, after a high jump, they fails down, my friend. You can see here. And after this fails, they take a very high jump, and after this jump, they take again fails down. You can see here, after a dump, they jump. After a jump, they dump. You can see here. This is the circulation. If they're moving in this circulation, my friend, everybody understand. If they're moving in this circulation, you can see here. After a fails, they take a heavy jump, and after a jump, they dump. The dump, you can see here, the dump and jump circulation. You can see here continuously. So, my friends, this is, I think, the jump time. Absolutely, this is jump time, my friend. If they're moving in this circulation, exactly, I have 3-year experience, and every cryptocurrency moving at this crypto and this my friend, this circulation. Okay, you can see here, this is a circulation of a dump and jump. So if they're moving in this circulation, I hope in upcoming days the Holochain is moving up like a rocket. Absolutely, the good time is coming soon, my friends. So kindly wait to they can hit this point. I hope then sell it. Please, they give you a good profit at the end of this month. I hope and the last and upcoming 7 days, sorry, they give you a very highest change. Okay, you can see here, they give you a very good profit. They make you millionaire. Absolutely, they make you millionaire. So Holochain as well as the fastest cryptocurrency. Please, the target as 0.1 US dollar, but I hope they can hit it just 0.1 US dollar and this month. And I think this is very low target. I hope they can hit easily. So friends, please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type video. Please hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.